Happy, happy Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Happy, happy Halloween, Silver Shamrock. Happy, happy Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Happy, happy Halloween, Silver Shamrock.
It's almost time, kids. The clock is ticking. Be in front of your TV sets for the Horathon. And remember the big giveaway at 9. Don't miss it. And don't forget to wear your masks. The clock is ticking. It's almost time.
Happy, happy Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Happy, happy Halloween, Silver Shamrock. Happy, happy Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Happy, happy Halloween, Silver Shamrock.
Marching ever forward neath the wooded shrine, I stray not from the path, I hold death's hand in mine. Primal night, give it sight, familiar by thy side. witches, down the witches, down the witches, down, down the witches, down, down, down the witches, down the witches, down, blood and tears and bone, maiden mother crone. The road is wild and wicked, winding through the wood, where all that's wrong is right and all that's bad is good. Through many miles of tricks and trials, we'll wander high and low. Tame your fears, a door appears, the time has come to go. Down, 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 down the witches, 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 down, 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 down the witches road. Follow me, my friend, to glory at the end.
Silver Shamrock. Silver Shamrock.
It's almost time, kids. The clock is ticking. Be in front of your TV sets for the Horathon. And remember the big giveaway at 9. Don't miss it. And don't forget to wear your masks. The clock is ticking. It's almost time. It's almost time, kids. The clock is ticking. Be in front of your TV sets for the Horathon. And remember to wear your masks. Don't miss it. And don't forget to wear your masks. The clock is ticking. It's almost. It's almost time, kids. The clock is ticking. Be in front of your TV sets for the Horathon. And remember the big giveaway at 9. Don't miss it. And don't forget to wear your masks. The clock is ticking. It's almost time.